I am Shirlan, and for today's video, we will going to address the bullying in school. Bullying in school is affects student mental health and learning. Today, I'll share some actionable plan to address this issue. And the first is anti-bullying policy. This anti-bullying policy will create clearly policy to define bullying, outlet consequence, and supportive victims. And for the second is safe support system. Student will have an access to an anonymous reporting tool to ensure this safety. And for the third is awareness program. Teachers will be trained to identify and address bullying and effectively. And for the fourth is training, safe staff training. Teacher will be trained to identify and address bullying effectively. And these steps will help us to address the bullying. These steps will create safe, supportive environment for all students. Let's work together